Best free AI tool for students, boost productivity, and study smarter in 2025. Feeling overwhelmed with assignments, research, and deadlines? What if I told you that AI can literally be your personal study assistant for free? Best free AI tool for students, 2025 edition. From writing essays to solving math problems in seconds, these AI tools will save you hours and boost your grades. And the best part? You don't have to pay a single rupee. 1. ChatGPT, your 24/7 study buddy. First up is ChatGPT by OpenAI. Need help understanding tough topics or writing an assignment? Just type your question, and ChatGPT explains it like a friend. It's perfect for summaries, brainstorming, and even language translation. 2. Grammarly. Fix your English instantly. Next is Grammarly. Whether you're writing essays, emails, or project reports, Grammarly helps fix grammar, spelling, and tone in real time. No more embarrassing mistakes. Chrome extension, Android app, free version available. 3. Perplexity AI, instant research assistant. Tired of wasting time on Google? Try Perplexity AI. It gives accurate, summarized answers with sources. Perfect for quick research notes and finding references for your projects. 4. Photomath. Solve math by taking a photo. Math problems? Just take a photo using Photomath. It shows a step-by-step solution instantly. No more crying over algebra. 5. 11 Labs or Play.ht. AI voice for presentations. Don't like recording your voice? Use Play.ht or 11 Labs to generate realistic voiceovers for presentations or videos. It sounds supernatural and saves you from retakes. 6. Notion AI, organize notes smartly. Stay organized with Notion AI. It helps you write faster, plan projects, take smart notes, and even summarize lectures. It's like Google Docs, Evernote, and AI all in one. Quick recap. So here's your new AI study team. 1. ChatGPT for doubt solving. 2. Grammarly for writing. 3. Perplexity for research. 4. Photomath for math. 5. Play.ht for voiceovers. 6. Notion AI for note-taking. Try these free tools today and make studying smarter, not harder. Hit like, subscribe, and comment which tool you're using. Study smart, not hard. Subscribe for more AI and study hacks.